speech just a moment ago.
Must go through this kind of the climate action plan.
Organic carbons
now is in Shenzhen.
I'm engineering until my
So this is a mature one.
The changes, like for example,
They are connected to education, to the cultural heritage, and things like that, and to the type, the species. So
PNC has been working on
the ones which get the most votes, the ones which we will probably contact the conservation policy team. When you go along to whichever government department, after training, and this is an obvious nature-based solution for Hong Kong.
Here in this panel is try to
pavement. It's unlike traditional pavement.
Langzhou is actually connected to the hills in China through.
This sense of Paris Agreement, IPCC changes.
it means that we're nowhere near most no company in the world.
Like what historically is that climate hits.
Solutions for urban heat islands.
And the prices will reflect and this is
Anyone dispute that after the super typhoon,
Not for production of saleable.
Starting to join the conversations because it's hitting their bottom line that's coming at you here at the operational level or downstream.
Robust in your science or whatever it is, you've got to.
so it's a little bit related to this understanding where infrastructure is in within the city.
Brilliant panel. So now this is the end of our forum today. Actually, we talk about climate change. It sounds so terrible, like the background stuff, front end.